Sometimes getting started with cryptocurrency isn't only about choosing which coin to buy, but also about selecting a reliable service to complete the transaction. One platform that has become quite popular for this purpose is MoonPay. MoonPay is a payment infrastructure provider that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Because of its simple process and integrations with many crypto platforms, it has become a common option for beginners entering the crypto space. To begin with, MoonPay works a little differently from a traditional cryptocurrency exchange. Instead of focusing on trading between users, MoonPay acts as a bridge between traditional finance and digital assets. Many crypto wallets, NFT marketplaces, and Web3 platforms integrate MoonPay directly into their services, allowing users to purchase cryptocurrency without leaving the app they are already using. Another reason the platform is widely used is its ease of use. Users simply select the cryptocurrency they want, enter the wallet address, choose a payment method, and complete the purchase. The crypto is then sent directly to the user's wallet after the transaction is processed. MoonPay supports several popular payment options, including card payments and bank transfers, which helps make crypto purchases more accessible to a wider audience. When it comes to supported assets, MoonPay allows users to purchase well-known cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with many other tokens, depending on the region and the platform where the service is integrated. Now looking at pricing, MoonPay charges transaction fees that vary depending on the payment method and the size of the purchase. Card payments generally have higher fees because of processing costs, while bank transfers can sometimes be cheaper. In addition to these fees, there may also be a spread, which is the difference between the market price of the cryptocurrency and the price offered during the purchase. Because of this, buying crypto through MoonPay can sometimes be more expensive than trading directly on a large exchange. However, many users still choose the platform because of its convenience and fast onboarding process. Instead of learning how to use complex trading platforms, users can simply complete a purchase in a few steps. So in the end, whether MoonPay is worth using depends on your priorities. If you want a quick and beginner-friendly way to buy crypto with traditional payment methods, it can be a very convenient option. But if your main goal is lower trading fees, using a dedicated crypto exchange might be a better alternative. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.